Look. See it? Do you know why it shakes so much? This problem has been going on for more than half a month. The car owner told me that he went to several repair shops, cleaned the throttle, replaced spark plugs and ignition coils, even cleaned the oil lines of the entire car. At last, the repair shop said the engine needed to be overhauled. Quote, $3,000. The car owner hesitated. He found me through the comment section. Let me see what happened. Stop in place. Generally speaking, the body shaking is a spark plug problem, but the car owner said that it has been replaced. Hey, I know another component. Many repair shops will overlook it. Come over. The part I'm talking about is the oxygen sensor. I suspect there is something wrong with it. Let's take it apart. It is very easy to remove the oxygen sensor. Come, there's a wire attached to it. There is a plug on the wire. Let's remove the plug first. Unplug it, then take off the thread as well. Next, let's remove the oxygen sensor. Find a tool. Put it on top of this. Twist it gently. It can be loosened. You can then loosen it by hand. Wow, it's all carbon deposits. No wonder the engine shakes violently. In such a situation, no need to go to a repair shop. I have a trick to quickly remove the carbon deposits on it. Let it be restored as good as new. Let's find a cup. Then take out the toilet cleaner in the kitchen. Pour it into a cup. Next, soak the oxygen sensor in toilet cleaner. Wait for 5 minutes. Okay, it's almost time. Let's take it out and see the effect. Wipe it. Now it's clean. Next, we will install it back. The installation method is very simple. Put it back. Plug the connector back in. Put it back in the groove, then install the wires. Next, I'll get in the car and start it. See if the engine is still shaking. If it doesn't shake, friends, remember to give me a like. Please support me. Your support is my biggest motivation for making videos. If you follow me, if you have any car questions in the future, you can ask me. Go. Apply the brakes first. Start up. Did you see it? A success. The power is very strong. Go and have a look in front. Try again. See it? No more shaking. This method is very practical. Have you learned it? Follow me. Learn car knowledge every day.